What if I told you that venture capitalists just deployed over $350 billion, and most small business CEOs are missing where the smart money is actually going? I'm Cynthia Nevels, and I've been tracking the investment flows that are reshaping entire industries. Today, I'm sharing my 2026 picks, 8 sectors where you should be positioning your business right now. Let's dive into my 2026 picks. Number 1, Fintech. 18% growth quarter over quarter, $10.3 billion in funding. Felix just raised $75 million helping Latino immigrants send money home. Number 2, Healthcare AI, 47% funding increase. Hippocratic AI grabbed $141 million to solve the healthcare worker shortage. Number 3, Cybersecurity, non-negotiable spending. Even Protexa, a woman-owned startup, raised $4 million with 70% female investors. Number 4, AI, obviously. Anthropic just closed $3.5 billion at a $61 billion valuation, competing directly with OpenAI. Number 5, data centers. Microsoft alone is investing $80 billion in 2025. CoreWeave went public at $24 billion. Number 6, clean energy, $670 billion in global investment. Solar and wind are dominating new power generation. Number 7, e-commerce tech, not just selling stuff, AI-powered platforms. Airwallex hit $6.2 billion valuation. Number 8, BizTech, enterprise software is hot. Harvey's AI legal platform just raised $300 million. But here's where it gets interesting for you. You don't need to be the next unicorn. You need to serve them. These funded companies need specialized services, integration support, training, consulting, exactly what small businesses excel at providing. Think about it. Every AI company needs cybersecurity. Every fintech needs compliance help. Every data center needs specialized maintenance. The 2026 gold rush is happening right now. The question is, will you be a spectator, or will you position your business where the money is flowing? I help CEOs identify these exact opportunities. Let's connect and talk about where your business fits in this $350 billion opportunity.